Malaking sinagot na itong si Coach Yeng sa isang panayam patungkol sa kanyang mga manlalaro, especially itong bagong salta sa Ross na si Pringle. Yan ay matapos mang i-like ang video na ito, mag-subscribe sa ating channel at pakidamay na rin ang ating opisyal na Facebook page. Last Friday nga mga bularo, paniguradong isa ka rin sa libo-libong Pinoy fans na nagabang sa muling pagbabalik ni Derrick Rose sa bansa. Kung saan matatandaan na huli pa tong nakabisita sa Pilipinas taong 2011 matapos tong naganap na All-Star Game sa Araneta. Kung saan dyan, nakasama rin ni Rose ang ilan sa malalaking NBA stars like Kobe Bryant, Kevin Durant at CP3.
That was probably the best All-Star game I played in coming over here and actually wanting to be in that All-Star game and the fans being a part of it and Pacquiao coming. It just added on to the game and added on to the story. And at that time, it was during the lockout. So at that time, we was creating a concept or a paradigm that could have lasted if the lockout would have continued. So it was kind of cool being a part of it.
Kaya naman dahil dito, malaki ang pasasalamat ni D-Rose kay MVP na siyang nag-sponsor sa muling pagtapak ng basketballista sa ating bansa.
But we came over here because of MVP. MVP allowed us to come over here and pay for everybody to come over here. So I want to thank him. I haven't seen him in a while, but thank you wherever you were, MVP. Appreciate that back then.
Samantala sa kabilang banda, ngayon nga natapos na ang PBA draft, tuloy-tuloy na ang ensayo ng bawat koponan sa liga. Kung saan dito nga sa naganap na tune-up game between Ross at Road Warriors, matapos manalo ang Elasto Painters, ay di naiwasang hinga ng update etong si Coach Yeng.
Siguro biggest concern lang namin is maging healthy, no, lahat ng mga players namin. Si Keith Datu, parang ano siya, no, parang we're trying to manage yung health niya, but it's nothing serious. We're just trying to be safe, no, doon sa situation niya para siguro looking at being able to get them healthy, no, before opening day. Nakakapag-practice naman sila pero minamanage pa rin namin yung load nila sa practice.
Pero maliban dyan, natanong din si Yeng regarding kay Pringle.
Si Stanley kakarating lang. So I think he's practiced with us for just 3 days, but he participated in at least two of our scrimmages. We're also trying to manage his minutes. He's still not 100%, of course, no, and parang ginagamay, ina-absorb pa lang niya talaga yung sistema namin.